common denominator.
And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Let's talk about something important. Put that coffee down.
I'm not here to waste your time.
Where else you gonna have this much fun?
You the man. You the man.
Todd Father.
Show me the money.
What I've been doing, had to triple my bag. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Yeah. Had to triple my bag.
60% of the time, it works every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Well, it's no trick to make a lot of money. All you want is to make a lot of money.
Hey, what's going on? Another day, another dollar. I got my issue fixed with Wirecast, I believe. What's up, Paul? Crypto, Dirk, James, Joe, Matthias, Colin, Miguel. Hey, Miguel. So, wanted to come on. My tune might be changing a little bit. Theta been doing well. What's up, ET? Another trillion in STEMI, no doubt. What's up, Chris, Josh, Tom, Rob? Damn, everybody jumping in here. Alex, God of War. We're going to talk about this chart first. Bitcoin coming down a little bit here after rallying overnight with some weakness yesterday, as I'd expected. What up, Red Nose Drain Beer? In front of us is the Wyckoff Wave Crypto Index. Index we formed with the Wyckoff software. The main part of this is down at the bottom, lower right is the technometer. And hold on here. Down here at the lower right, technometer. Anytime the technometer gets below 40, which is here, first green, next green, next green, etc. Those buy points are marked on the chart. So we're at 40.91. I mean, probably if we pull back, correct a little bit of the rally from this morning, might get that down to 40. Just looking at that, you got to try to figure out how we're going to go higher. So we're going to look at that. Definitely high level consolidation here. I was looking for much lower. I was looking for much lower, and now I'm not too sure of that. So we're going to watch that. We're going to talk about stocks here too. I've got some stock indicators that are almost back to friendly. So I've been bearish. I got to probably temper that a little bit here. And then let's throw up some more crypto charts here. Let's look at Bitcoin Bitfinex. You can see lower right, technometer 36.66. That is nicely oversold with Bitfinex. Now that's one exchange, so you're going to have more volatility in that technometer. So, and what that means is if we go to Bitcoin USD consolidated, which is 140 plus exchanges, technometers at 41, which again is not a buy signal. The reason I did not buy overnight. Bitcoin USDT, technometer 42.6, again, not at buy levels. Ethereum USD, technometer 43.4, not at buy signals again. Ethereum USDT 42.6, not at a buy. The only one we do have friendly is Litecoin USD, which is down at 38.49, which is coming down to a buy point. And then we've got the Litecoin USDT down at 40.22. So Litecoin oversold more so because it's been weaker. So I don't take that really as that good of a buy signal. Now I had Wirecast. I had just upgraded to a new version, and I got it screwed up. So I'm not a tech person. That's why I had Matt in here years ago. So we've had Wirecast here for a while, but we have had some good profits. What's up, Johnny? So again, I mean, crypto in general, a little oversold, nothing major. That's why I didn't jump on it. I really wanted to see something lower than 53 last night on Bitcoin, 53,000. And again, this Wyckoff Wave Crypto Index, if you look at that technometer, we're coming down, and you can see what's going on here is the top indicator is the OP. And you can see that it's been in a solid downtrend since about 34,000. So we've had selling on Bitcoin since 34,000 while price has continued higher. That looks a little like we could explode higher here. If this volume ever decides to turn up on a, on a stronger basis, which it has not done. And you can see here why it did bounce a little bit from January 30th to, let's say, February 20th. That's when we went from 40 to, that's when Bitcoin had its big run from, what was it, 32 to 52 or something. So if volume turns up here, we're going to get another explosive rally. There's no doubt. If we look at stocks, Facebook, I'd mentioned to my pro traders that it was starting to look good. But let's look at general market. Let's look at the Wyckoff Wave. What's up, Wartune? Wyckoff Wave technometer, you can see down here, lower right, coming down to 40, which is close to a buy level, which means the Dow Jones type stocks are probably probably looking like they need to bounce again. So then let's look at Wyckoff Wave growth. A little different picture here. We've got technometer here as marked in red is overbought. So it looks like maybe Dow stocks are going to be rallying. Growth stocks, NASDAQ stocks, maybe not as much. We've got DIA, the Dow Jones ETF, neutral. And then we've got, here's the SPY, which I've got to respect here. SPY technometer didn't get really oversold at the last buy when I mentioned we were going long. Still setting a 40.9, definitely at the lower end. Any weakness, I would think, would take that to a buy. Again, while I'm starting to wonder if stocks are still going to try to go higher and crypto as well. And here's QQQ neutral as well in the technometer. So as I said when I started, I think the key is here, maybe I'm not as bearish on stocks and crypto as I have been. So we're going to keep that in mind. Then if we go into Elliott wave formations, hold on guys. If we go into Elliott wave readings, I had shown somewhat a bullish count here that we still could be in a wave 4 here. And then new highs. Now that's something that would not be extremely bullish, but would encounter higher prices. So that would fit into a more bullish reading. If we go to, let's see what else I could show here. I mean, as you know, I was looking for a C wave of a triangle. I can't imagine that it held that high, which I guess we could have something like this where the triangle is just upward slanting because Bitcoin is so bullish. That would mean the low here is a low that we definitely are making. Another more bullish count would probably be, let's extend this up and out of the way, because what would be happening is this was a wave 1 that ended and a wave 2 ended last night, or will so on any more weakness. So that would be an extremely bullish count that we're headed probably to 76,000. And that fits in nicely. This wave 1 green, you can definitely count that into 5 waves if you want to expand that out. Easy to count this as 5 waves up. And then a nice little ABC pullback that just sprung the previous low at 53.3 with last night's 53 print. So that would be the most bullish reading. And that definitely is a possibility. If we look at Ethereum, same type of thing. Could have been 5 waves up and ABC pulled back. Now we're ready to scream higher. So again, I'm thinking about a little bit higher. 76,000, yeah, that would make you faint. What's up, Jet? So there's kind of a little bit more of my thinking. We got Dow's pulling back here. Dow down 274, NASDAQ 131. That is the weakness I've been looking for in stocks. Bitcoin. Go to the 5-minute. Still acting pretty well out that overnight low at 53,000. But again, any sell-off in stocks, I got a feeling I'm going to get friendly indicators. And even if we could get Bitcoin back down here at, this could be a leading diagonal, 5 waves for a wave 1. We get a pullback here into 54,500, let's say, 54,000. I'm going to be interested in seeing what my technometer looks like and see if we can jump back in the water here and get some long positions on. Let me run a disclaimer. I gave quite a few opinions there. Keep my regulators happy.
There is a high degree of risk involved in trading cryptocurrencies. Our thoughts and ideas are for entertainment purposes only. Please consult your personal advisor or do your own research. Past results are not indicative of future returns. Thanks.
All right, somebody mentioned Riot, Big House. Let's look at Riot here. Because if we're going higher on Bitcoin here soon, that thing's going to rock and roll. Let's look at the 9-month chart. Again, same type of chart as a Bitcoin, so this could be a big ABC pullback off the high and a 1 and a 2 ready to ignite higher. Or this could be an A down, this could be a B, this could be a C. Mouse around a little bit more around that $60 level and then skate to 80. So I don't think you can be wrong holding some of these, but let's hold off a little bit longer. And then Mara, same type of thing. Same chart. We did catch that one on the last time for our pro traders. If you want to, you can join pro traders at wyckoffsmi.com, $40 a month. You get in a Discord and also get emailed trades. We are overbought over here, so again, I'm flat this one, but one that would definitely want to buy if I get a buy signal. Appreciate it, Bamboo. Let's look at Theta because it keeps going. Not one that I've really been on. Only up 35% today. Been a rocket ship. That's a 5-minute chart. $8 to $14.50. I have thought about that, Mr. Plillip. So that's not usually what I do, but I think I can switch that. I might have a couple errors on some trend lines that my developers would need to fix. Right, only 35%. I've had some clients on Theta, but I actually can't say that I have been. So really that is all I got. I got 40 minutes into the stock closing. We've got stocks on the lows, Dow down 277, S&P down 27. I am still short the S&P. I hear you, Plibbit. ADA, we will look at ADA. Got a meeting with my software developer, a new guy here in St. Louis tonight at 5, so still trying to get things figured out. We are launching a Wyckoff SMI China site with Andy Chore's help in China. Pretty excited about that. Everything's videos, trades, everything's translated, and also launching software over there. Alex, I'm just short by being long SDS, which is the leverage short on the S&P. I used to trade stock index futures almost solely in size for years, but somewhat stopped on that around 2014. ADA technometer, you can see lower right was down around 39.4 yesterday. OP has been trending down while price held, so I think probably the sell-off in ADA is probably over, and I would expect for thing to try to work back higher. What up, Anna? There's Bitcoin at 55,200, coming down with stocks. Again, there is ADA got to a 40 on the technometer on USDT. Probably a C wave here or a 1-2 and headed higher on ADA. NEO, the NEO. That one we thought around 45 could have a little bit of weakness. We're down here 41.72. You can see technometer touches 40 yesterday here at the low. Again, as I'm thinking about some of these charts, last night's low might have been worthwhile for a little bit here, so we're going to watch today. IOTA. That one is not coming up, not in the software. Sorry about that. Is Nate in here? Yeah, Nate's in there. What's up, Nate? Let's go back to trading view here. We got some selling coming in. There's Theta down to 13. There's Bitcoin just touched 55. So again, going to be interesting whether we can count this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into today's high. and maybe get some type of ABC pullback here. Down there at that 54.5 level I mentioned. If we get that, if my technometers line up, we might be looking to buy something. So if you really want to know, you got to jump in patreon.com/learncrypto. Software needs improvement. Now we're getting the software ready for to still launch to subscribers. I'm also adding more sectors, more symbols, etc. It's done well enough for me, but I'm trying to increase. I'm trying to make it more useful for the Wyckoff method is what I'm doing. So there's Bitcoin 55,000, Ethereum 1698. We had a sell on Bitcoin at 55,620. I also mentioned a 61.4 that we were topping out. Ethereum we sold at 1824. Litecoin we sold higher, so we're just trying to buy some things back for our trading bags here. ETH, you must be in the Discord, so let me give you a moderator. What up, Hunter? So yeah, if everything works right, I'll be raising some bids, trying to buy a few things. So that's all I really got here, guys and girls. I'm going to go for the stock closing and watch Bitcoin. Again, would like to see a little lower on everything, and then I'm probably going to turn friendly. So Elliott course, I've got that to release on a new website that we're launching. I've got to pass one more exam of theirs to be an affiliated instructor for Elliott Wave, which will be no problem. But the course is ready to go. Just got to launch it. So later, Miguel. See you, Tom. So I'm going to run a couple commercials, keep the lights on, and probably be back here tomorrow. That is all I got. So we'll talk tomorrow. Stay strong, stay united.
To our private Discord channel. By subscribing to our pro traders at wyckoffsmi.com, you'll receive individual stock suggestions based upon the Wyckoff method, review possible trade setups, as well as receive emails when any trade suggestions are given. But if you're too busy to manage your own stock portfolio, consider our private client group at our registered investment advisor, Black Bay Capital Advisors. You'll get the personal touch while we manage your stock portfolio for you through the trusted custodian, Charles Schwab. For an annual fee, you'll have more time to enjoy life while we focus on growing your portfolio. We'll be on the same side of the table, working to help you secure your long-term financial goals.
Warren Buffett, American investor, business tycoon, and one of the wealthiest people in the world, once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." But how is that possible? Well, knowledge is power. In 2020, it is no longer news that cryptocurrencies are the currency of the digital future. Bitcoin's stability amidst unprecedented global economic impacts from COVID-19 has proven once again that crypto is here to stay. Learning how to trade, when to trade, and where to trade crypto assets can make the difference between success and failure. At LearnCrypto.io, we offer a pathway to sustainable and lifelong wealth by helping open-minded beginners and experienced traders navigate the thin ice of the cryptocurrency markets. Live shows, interviews, coin reviews, fundamental analysis, predictive trading bots, and open chat access to a community of real traders. These are just a few of the benefits you'll receive with a membership on patreon.com/learncrypto. Sign up today if you strive to build yourself a brighter tomorrow.
We'll see you all again. Sleep tight.